and I love them. These cows just adorable. Hi everyone, it's about 10:30 right now. Both my boys are in bed asleep. They actually went down early around 9:30, so that was nice. I was able to sneak in a shower and change into some clean clothes. My husband just got home from work, so he is winding down for the night. I'm at my sewing station, and the goal is to get some scrunchies sewn. I gotta find the time while being a full-time mom and working a 9 to 5 job. So this is how I do it. I sneak it in when they're asleep. So let's get into it. All right. So I bought this fabric at Joann's a little while ago, and I have not had the time to do anything with it. So I'm pretty excited. I want to take this pattern and make some scrunchies out of it. Um, that's the goal for tonight. I want to make some bows too, so let's see. But this is about 2 yards of fabric. So what I want to do now is find a matching thread. My husband bought me these threads when he bought me my sewing machine. So it just comes in like multiple colors. It's really helpful because I did not think that I was going to take sewing seriously and turning into a small business. So it's actually come quite handy. At first, when he gifted this to me, it was like, what am I going to do with all this? And I'm glad I was able to find a purpose for um, all these colorful threads. So this is kind of like a lavender purple. So let's see if I have anything that matches that. That looks too blue. And that's definitely too blue. It's really purple. It's almost like too purple. I need something a little bit lighter. That one's too pink. I have a gray one, but I think it's almost too gray. So let me see. This is the thread that I actually have in my sewing machine right now. Oh, and you know what? That makes more sense. This actually matches the fabric better. I thought it was going to be too gray, but actually it's perfect. So I didn't even need to change out the thread in my sewing machine. Sorry guys, took you out for no reason. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to make some medium-sized scrunchies first, and then probably want to make about 10 if I can get 10 in. And then depending on how much fabric I have left, I can either make large size scrunchies or turn this fabric into bows. Okay, so today is the next day. I finished up sewing these scrunchies. I got really tired last night and ended up going to bed. It was probably around like 12:30, so I decided to finish these up today. I made about 8 scrunchies and I love them. They're so cute. Look at these. Like, aren't these cows just adorable? Anyways, I'm gonna put maybe about like half of these on my Shopify website. So if you're interested in purchasing one, you can definitely do that. I'm also gonna bring the other half to a vendor event and sell them. So I'm really excited. I did not get a chance to make bows, so maybe I'll do that tonight. But I only got a chance to make about 8 scrunchies from part of the fabric that I had last night. Here's a close-up photo of the scrunchie. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check out my most recent video regarding my first vendor event. I will catch you in my next video.